Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. We have already done addition and subtraction of a number. It is the same thing, but here we come to know about the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Okay. In addition of decimal numbers, we can add decimal number in the form of column method. In column method, we have to arrange the numbers in column. Okay, after that we have to subtract or add it. Okay, in addition and subtraction, all the steps are same and all the process are also same, but there is only a decimal number, and previously we know about the addition and subtraction of a numbers. Okay, here let us start our worksheet 1 so that your concept may be clear. Okay, so your worksheet 1 is add the following decimal numbers. These numbers are arranged in column. Okay, and we have to add this. Firstly, we add the decimal numbers. 0.35 plus 0.42. This gives you 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. In the similar way, 3 plus 8 is 1. 3 plus 8 is 1. That is 11. 11 1 carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 carry 1. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1 10. In this way we have to complete worksheet 1, question number 1 to F. Okay. In the next, this is the question given, but you have to arrange this in a column and then add. So 0.35 and 0.62. Okay, this gives you 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, in the second one, 8.496, 2.564, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10 plus 6 16, 6 carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 10, 0 carry 1, 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 11, like this. Okay, in the same way there is 3 decimal numbers you have to arrange in column and then add. Okay, next in the worksheet 2, here is 2.3. Let us understand the thing first, after that you should do. Here is 2.3, here is also 2.3, here is 5.9, but here is missing, so you have to put 5.9 here. Okay, in the second 18.69 and another one is 4.35. 18.61 is 69 is here and 4.35 is here. In the same way 9.8 is put in the blank, 16.21 is here, 16.21 is also present, 8.36 is present, 8.36 is present. In the same way you have to do. Next, if we add any number or any digit with 0, the result will be the number itself, whether it will be decimal number, whether it will be a whole number. Next one is 79.8 plus 0 gives you the number itself. In the same way we have to fill the blanks of question number 1 worksheet 2. It is very easy. Also in worksheet 3 you have to write the statement and arrange it in a column method like this. There are some examples, okay, which are taken from your worksheet 3. Solve the following word problems. Mr. Kumar purchased a sari for rupees 485.55 rupees, a shirt for rupees 269.40 and a tie for rupees 65.25. All the terms are arranged in column. Cost of sari is rupees this, cost of shirt is this, cost of tie is 65.25. Now we have to find the total money. This means you have to add all the terms or all the items, cost of the items. That is total money spent by Mr. Kumar is equals to, we have to add all these items. Okay, you got 820.20 rupees. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6 for 10 plus 2 12, 2 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 is 20, 0, 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 and 12, 22, 2 carry 2, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. Okay, now the second, the height of Ram is 1.75 meter. His brother Shyam is 0.5 meters taller than Ram. What is the height of Shyam? Here the height of Ram is 1.75 meters. Height taller than Ram. How much height? He was taller than Ram. It is 0.5 meters. Now then the total height of Shyam is 2.25 meters. Okay, in this way you have to solve the word problem. Okay, so up to worksheet 3 you have to complete in addition of decimal numbers. Okay, thanks for today. We are continuing our second part, that is subtraction of decimal numbers, on the next videos. Okay, thanks for today.